depressed of negative ions. Just imagine they travel from 6 a.m. from the 8 to 5 job. Then at 8 a.m., they're depleting actually with negative ions. And then after work, they are now diving into another monster world because magko-commute na naman because polluted na po yung area. That's actually how bad our environment is. And this is very practical that we know that we have this advantage. Imagine we have the small, tiny device that we can carry anywhere, anytime. Unlike you have a, yeah, you will say, Jeff, meron naman akong I have naman sa bahay na a purifier and an ionizer. That's a tangible, tangible and stationary product which you cannot bring anytime, anywhere. In fact, from a stationary device, from a stationary ionizer, or for that matter, stationary purifier, if you go beyond 50 centimeters, I say it again, if you go beyond 50 centimeters, then you do not have the luxury of having those benefits from the purified air or the ionized air. 50 centimeters away, no more negative ions from that stationary device. That's why it's very important to know that we have this device and we can actually use this on our advantage. In fact, in children, sa mga anak po natin, it's very practical that we have this ion shield because there was a study that negative ions, a strong concentration of negative ions, can improve and stimulate brain cells. Remember a while ago I said that air pollution can damage air, heart, and lungs, meaning these negative ions can actually counter-attack that data, that study. So infuse us in, let's go with a device with so much negative ions and do not look too far because we have it under our nose, under our within our system, or within our community. So again, our ion shield emits 60 million negative ions. Remember that. So for those people that saying, do we have a proof? Do we have proof that we generate 60 million negative ions? Yes, we do have. We will show you later on the data that it is. That's a proof. There's a black and white that it produces, that our ion shield produces 60 million negative ions. All right. So, and by the way, let me go back to this slide. 60 million negative ions. Maybe one of your questions would be, Jeff, how to wear it? I think na-question na to or natanong na to before. Jeff, how will I wear it? Should I wear it outside the shirt or inside the shirt? Okay. So, if you are curious enough and search it or look for speakers, or resource person that specifically John Scabola, which is actually expertise in terms of this scalar energy, negative ions, and so on, frequencies, so forth and so on. And he said that, which is actually basically true. Having our device, it is actually 20% of the negative ions we can actually maximize it within by virtue of breathing, by virtue of inhaling. So 20% negative ions, we inhaled it. And 80%, I said it, remember this, 80% of negative ions are actually absorbed by our skin. That's why products, actually you encounter these products, these are actually on a conductive side. When we say conductive side, it's more of a skin to skin. So product to skin, sort of a, I don't know where to put these negative ions, as long as it has a contact on our skin, on our body, because our body absorbs 80% of negative ions. parallel to, if it absorbs 80% of negative ions, it can also absorb 80% of bacteria. Just how our body works. So it's equally important that we should dose our body. We should megadose our body hour entirely with negative ions. All right. So I hope you understand this. So in terms of wearing this, you can wear the ion shield outside your shirt if you are inside the room. You're inside the room. And when you're outside the room, when you're outside and going to, let's say, industrial area, a commercial area, wear it inside your shirt so that it can be, the negative ions can be absorbed as effective as high as 80%. So we can do that. The reason why, I think the reason why they put it as a negative, the negative ion, they put it in a ionizer type, so that the 20% can be maximized. So that the 20% can be maximized by inhaling it, by breathing it in from the emitter, from the diode emitter. All right. I hope you get value from that. Okay. And the other feature is actually it's silent. Though it has a medyo may tunog siya. Of course, it has that sound because of the motor. Remember, it uses the carbon brush technology, which actually uses and utilizes generator, small motor, to practically produce charges so that it can utilize, or it can further produce negative ions outside the emitter. And by the way, the 60 cm, the 60 million negative ions is measured 3 centimeters above the emitter, above the tip of our ion shield. So let's go to the product description, and most of you knows this actually. This is a one-button control. Maybe 3 seconds to turn it on, and less than 3 seconds, 2 seconds to turn it off. All right. So if you want to go an Ironman day, all right, this is an Ironman day, so wear your ion shield and put the light on. All right, one button control, off, on, and off. All right. Okay. It uses actually a mirror. I think it's a mirror technology, wherein it uses a substance on a surface that is actually can utilize more, so that the mechanism inside our ion shield can produce more voltage, more discharge. So kasi hindi pwedeng typical na hover, typical layer. It has to be a high-end. It has to be a high-end layer of ingredient, or any holistic or a safe chemical ingredient. All right. So again, this is the summary of the features of our ion shield, our ion pendant. As I said, it utilizes a pulse technology. It doesn't continuously produce millions of oxygen. It's millions of negative ions. It produces in a pulse, in a periodic way. So parang stop on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay. Long battery life, which is 9 hours. So you have all day safety. You have the assurance that you are safe all day long when you wear our ion shield. That's why I call it wearable wellness technology. Right? So for those people who are looking at or scrutinizing our device, is it really producing 60 million negative ions? And here it is. So you can take a screenshot. This is from the Detection Center of Microbiology. This is the result that our ion shield produces 60 million negative ions 3 centimeters away from the negative ion emitter. That's why we can inhale as much as negative ions that we want. Just turn it on and we can inhale. And by the way, by all means, do not remove this chain. Do not remove this chain in our ion shield too, because it's actually to avoid the static discharges, because it releases relatively high voltage of charges. So it actually the string, the metal actually neutralizes those charges so that we do not have, or what we call it, static pulses, static electric pulses, right? So to avoid that. Okay, so this is just another feature. So you can actually search inside YouTube, inside the net, all the benefits of our ion shield. And visibly, you can search for the smoke test. Actually, I need to share this smoke test of, let me see if I can share this smoke test of the, let's share the smoke test using our ion shield. Visible demo of our device. So even all right, visible. Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Please type 1. Thank you, Ms. Matsue. You can hear me. So basically, this electronic mask is our ion shield is one of the most important device that we should have. We can actually, this actually can have our proximity. I mean, the radial proximity, the safest radial proximity of negative ions in our life. So I hope you get value from this, and please get protected using our device, so that you are actually protected inside out using our ion shield. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for staying.